It's all about the drain now. So this is where the water tank can be drained. That line comes down. That water line goes down the floor that enters the box here on the side. One line goes to the rear of the faucet, and then the water goes through the drain and through the floor of the van. Now I need approximately 11.5 inches. Then of course we have a hose clamp. We have a garden hose connector. That's better. But there's an opening here in the front, so normally you go through the opening and open and close the dump. And the water goes through the floor and dumped out outside. Looks good. Looks good. And the second piece of tubing goes to the rear of the faucet. Then I need another hose clamp. And I need a T-connector. Good boy, yeah? Yeah. That's to be, eh? Yeah. That's the location for the plus nut. This is one of the two locations where a metal strap will hold the water tank against the wall. That's one. Now we're doing the top panel. I already pre-drilled 2 holes here, one and one over there. And the remainder, and that's both on the top as well as on the side, I'll do with a few nails. Now 2 more rivets. Okay. Still got some space left for the top panel to be attached to. We'll first continue with the water tank.
Hi guys, this is Joey and we're building a one-of-a-kind RV. Thanks for watching our YouTube channel. If you enjoyed the video, give us a like and subscribe. Or better yet, leave a comment. Thanks guys. You've done a good job.